Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Wednesday, January 4th. The time is 4 a.m. GMT approximately. Today we are looking at the chart of silver. This is a 60 minutes chart here. We can see the structure here looks like a diagonal. So a diagonal usually is defined by this what looks to be a sideways move that is pointing into kind of a converging movement here, and is going to be typically ending a terminal move, and then from there we can get a pullback after that. So you can see we ended with 4 in the minor degree here, and we are now finishing up with 5, and that with 5 should be ending with 1 in the higher degree, in the intermediate degree, and within the with 5 we can see the back and forth movement here. 1 2 3 4, and then now looking for another move up again to finish the with 5 before we finish everything and then starts to turn lower. So basically the structure is kind of mature right now, and this with 1 could be ending anytime, any moment. We can always tweak the count and calling it completed earlier, for example. So we can still see another leg up, but the takeaway is that the structure is quite mature. We should be looking for a pullback soon as the ending diagonal here is completed. Okay, now let's zoom out and look at the daily time frame. Now this with 4 in the minor degree here is right here, and you can see since we bottomed in September last year, the rally, it does look impulsive, but it's kind of losing momentum right now, and that's why like the diagonal shape. And once that is complete, we should be getting again a larger pullback to correct this entire move up starting from September, right? Now this is not an invitation to sell, because typically you do not want to fade a 5 waves. That's not a good practice, and also you don't have any reliable stop loss, so to speak. And we don't yet have enough separation from the peak to be able to even call it completed, right? So for now we are saying that this cycle is mature. We should be ending soon and see a trace pullback here in the 4-hour time frame. If I copy in the with 4 here into the 4 hours, so this is 3 and 4. So now we are in the last stage within the wave 5 as an ending diagonal. You can see the movement starts to be like a wedge, right? It's like a wedge shape right now, which is again typically when the ending diagonal is going to take form, take shape, and then finish, and then starts to do pullback once the diagonal is finished. All right. So we're going to be updating this throughout the week, and as always, if you want to get more regular updates on precious metals or other commodities, Forex, indices, and so on, you can always look at our service. We have 14-day trial, and the link is in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.